Let's solve the following system using elimination. What we'll do here is pick a variable and try to get it to eliminate. So let's pick the x's, get those to cancel out. Now we've got to ask ourselves, what times 1x will give us the opposite of 2x? And the answer to that question is a negative 2. So we'll take the negative 2, we'll multiply both sides of the equation by that negative 2. Now, we leave the first system alone. 2x minus y equals negative 6. That does not change. It's the second equation that's changed here. We end up with a minus 2x plus 6y equals a negative 4. So there's our system. Now, the idea of eliminating is once we add down the columns, know what happens to the x terms. The 2x and the minus 2x cancel out. We'll add down the y's. We get a 5y is equal to, adding down the constants, negative 6 minus 4 will yield a negative 10. Solve for y completely. Divide both sides by 5. So part of our solution says that y is equal to a negative 2. Now, we're not finished until we've solved for x as well. So in order to do this, we'll head back up to the top and plug that into one of our two equations. Now, it doesn't matter which equation we choose to plug in, or negative 2, either answer will work, but we have to do so carefully. 2x minus y, which is a negative 2 in this case, equals a negative 6. And that's simply taking our y value, and which is negative 2, and replacing y in the parentheses. So now let's solve for x. We have 2x minus a negative 2, which is 2x plus 2, equals a negative 6. Isolate the 2x by subtracting 2 from both sides. 2x is then equal to a negative 8. Finally, to solve for 2 completely, we divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to negative 4. So we found the two solutions. Y equals negative 2, and x equals negative 4.